Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2, and in this video I am going to talk about 11 tips and tricks about these earbuds. So guys, let's start. The first tip is about installation of Bose Music App. So you have to go into your Play Store and you have to search for Bose Music App. So here is the Bose Music App. So you have to install it. So this app is related to these earbuds too. So guys, our app is installed, so you have to open this app to make a connection with these earbuds. Okay, so I just open the Bose Music app, and then here you see it is showing connect a product. So you just select this connect a product. Okay, and then you have to select this allow nearby devices access. So you just have to allow it, you have to allow it again, and then here it is showing you different option. So you have to select this first option of headphones and frames. Okay, just select it. Once you select it, here it will ask you to create an account. So if you want it, you can create account, but I don't want, so I will just skip it. So you can skip it as well. And then what you have to do, you have to accept these terms of use, this privacy policy, and then you have to select this I agree option. Okay, and then it will ask you to allow notifications. So you have to go to device settings. Okay, and then allow notification, just enable it. Okay, and then you have to go back. Okay, like this, and then it will start searching the nearby devices. Okay, so what you can do is you can just open your charging case with earbuds inside. Okay, so here you can see it is showing you the Bose QC earbuds 2 once you open it, and then you select this connect option. So just connect it, and then it will start making a connection with your earbuds. So here you can see it is asking you to turn on this Bluetooth button. So you have to just press and hold it, this Bluetooth button. So I will just press and hold it, this Bluetooth button, and I will dismiss it. Okay, and then again press this connect option. Okay, press and hold this Bluetooth button, and then what you can do, you can see it is asking you Bluetooth pairing request. You can just keep it like this now, and then you can pair it. Okay, and then it will start getting ready your device. So here you can see everything is done now. You can allow this option, and then you will see it will ask you again for pair. You just pair it, and then it will establish a connection with your earbuds. Okay, so here you will see all set. Okay, so you can see you just selected let's start the music, and now your earbuds 2 is connected with your device. Okay, so here you can see it is showing you the charging as well for the left and right. You can just select it, and here it will give you more options. Now let's talk about the controls. So if you tap one time, it will play your music or whatever you are playing, and then if you tap one more time, it will pause. Okay, so here you can see if you double tap it, it will take you to the next track. If you triple tap, it will take you to the previous track. Guys, if you want to increase the volume, you have to slide it up like this. Okay, so it will turn on the volume, and you can again do it like this. It will increase the volume. So here you can see I slide it up, it will increase the volume. If you want to decrease the volume, you have to slide it down. So I just slide it down like this. Okay, so here you can see it is now decreasing the volume. So this is how you can decrease the volume. The next step is about answering or ending the call from your earbuds. So for example, now if I have a call, I just tap it one time like this. Okay, it will answer the call. The next thing is, if you want to end the call, you have to double tap like this, and it will end the call. You can also decline the call by just double tap. The next control is about press and hold at the back side of your earbud. So if I press and hold it like this, you can see it will change the mode. So now it is in aware mode. If I press and hold it again like this, it will change to relax mode. Okay, and then if I want to change the quiet, again I will press and hold it like this, and it will back to the quiet mode. You can create different modes as well by yourself. So here you can see there is a create mode option. So what you have to do, you have to go into your Bose Music app. Go to the Bose Music app, open this Bose QC Earbuds 2, and then here you see this modes option. okay, just select it. So here you have three modes, but you can create one more. So here you see this create mode option. So here you can see there are different modes. So for example, I want to select a run, so I just select it, and then here I can do all my settings. For example, this noise cancellation, I can adjust it, and then I can press done, and it will add to my modes. The next tip is about shortcuts. So open the Bose Music app, okay, and then open your earbuds. Okay, so here Bose QC earbuds 2, just select it, and here you see this option of shortcut, just select it. Once you select it, here you can see this is the left shortcut, and here you can see it is showing you two different options. You can select for cycle through modes, or you can select access your voice assistant. So for the left shortcut, I select this cycle through modes, and then I select this right shortcut, and here you can see I just select this access your voice assistant. So both of these shortcuts have different options. Okay, so for this one, for the left, if I press and hold it, it will open the modes option, and if I just select this right one and I press and hold it, it will open the voice assistant. The next tip is about auto answer call. Okay, so you open the Bose Music app again, okay, and then what you have to do, you have to go into this Bose QC earbuds 2, just select it like this, and then what you have to do, you have to go into the settings icon. So you see the settings icon, just select it. Once you select it, you have to scroll down. Okay, so I will just scroll down, and here you see this option of in-ear detection, so just select it. So I will select it, and here you can see it, the second option over here is about auto answer call. So you just enable it. So it means whenever I have a call, I will just put these earbuds into my ear, and the call will answer automatically. The next tip is about Equalizer. So open the Bose Music app, okay, and then go into this Bose earbuds 2. Okay, so I just select it, and here you see this option of EQ. Okay, just select it. Once you select it, here you have four different options. So we have bass boost, bass reducer, treble boost, and treble reducer. So you can adjust them as well. So for example, I select this bass boost. Here you can see there are different options available. So here you can see I can just adjust it by myself. Okay, and then for example, for bass reducer, you can also adjust it according to your needs, and for treble boost and for this treble reducer. Okay, so you can reset them as well. The next tip is about changing of the bands. Okay, so these are called stability bands. They are different from the air tip. So here is the band, and here is the air tip. So if you want to remove the band, you can peel it off from the top. You can just hold it like this, and it will easily come out. Okay, so here you can see, and then in the box you will get four different bands option. Okay, so two for the right and two for the left. Okay, so these are two for the left, and these two are for right. So you can change them according to your ears, according to your fit. Okay, so if you want to put it back, it is very easy. You can just put it back like this, or you can put a new band. So here you can see this is how I will put it. So here you can see it is adjusted properly. Okay, and then if you want to see how to do it, you can also find in the settings. So just select this Bose QC earbuds 2, go to the settings, and then in the settings you see this option of stability bands. Just select it, and here it is showing you different sizes, and here it is also showing you how to change these stability bands. Okay, it is also showing you the demo and how you can loop on the new band. Okay, and here you can see the connect the dots. Okay, so here you can see how you can insert them properly. The next tip is about removing of these ear tips. So you can easily remove them. You can just do it like this. Okay, just fold it like this. So now it is in this position, and now you can pull it off. Okay, so I will pull it off like this. Okay, so here you can see I can easily pull it off. So this is how it looks like. Okay, and in the box you will get four different ear tips. Okay, so two for the left and two for the right, with different sizes. Okay, now if you want to put it the new one according to your ears, so you can just put it like this. Okay, so here you can see I will just put it like this. You will hear a sound of click. okay, like that, and then you can put it like this, and now it is properly adjusted. You can also see the demo in your app. So just select this Bose QC Earbuds 2, go to the settings, and here you see this option of Air Tip Fit Test. Just select it. Once you select it, here it will show you how to adjust ear tips. Just select it, and here you can see how to adjust them, okay, so according to the sizes. And then here it is also showing you the demo how to peel off the current ear tip. And then if you scroll down, it is showing you how to press on the new ear tip, okay. And here you can see you can check your fit. You can also run a test, okay. So here you can see just run a test, and you have to put them in your ears, okay, to check if they are properly adjusted, okay. So you can just put them in your ear, okay. So I put them in my ear, I run test, okay, and here it is showing you, okay. So here you can see I just run test again, and it will show you. So here you can see it is showing good seal in both of them, so they both are properly adjusted. The next tip is about voice prompts. So guys, whenever you put your earbuds in your ear, you heard a voice, okay. So if you don't want this kind of voice prompt, you can disable it. Just go to the Bose QC Earbuds 2, just select it, then go to the settings from here, and here you will see an option of voice prompts, okay. So I just scroll down, and here you see this option of voice prompts. Just select it. Once you select it, here it is showing you the connection and call voice prompt. So if you don't want this connection and call option, you can just disable it. And then if you don't want to hear this voice prompts about your battery level, so you can just disable it as well. The last tip is about self voice. So whenever you are on a call, you can listen your own voice during the call. But if you don't want to listen your own voice, you can disable it. Just go to this Bose QC Earbuds 2 like that, and then go to the settings, okay. And then you will see an option of self voice. Just scroll down, and you see this option of self voice. Just select it. Once you select it, here are 4 different options. If you want to use the high, if you want to listen your voice in a high mode, you can select this high. If you want medium, or if you want low, so these 3 options are available. If you don't want to hear it all, you can completely turn it off. So this is how you can turn off the self voice option in these earbuds. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.